This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a minimal foundation and immediate action. Begin by confirming HTML, CSS, and basic JavaScript knowledge, then open VS Code and initialize a Git repo. Once done, scaffold a single portfolio project that shows structure, styling, and interaction. Make sure to commit incremental changes and push to a remote branch so you have a record. This early feedback loop teaches discipline and reveals gaps fast. You'll learn more by building one practical site than by reading dozens of tutorials. Now deepen your process by expanding that project. First, make the site responsive and add accessible HTML semantics so it works across devices and users. Test with different viewports. Then, refactor key UI into components using a framework like React or Vue to manage state and reuse. Once comfortable, connect those components to a backend, either a small REST API or serverless functions, to learn data flow. Throughout, write focused tests and iterate. This middle phase trains architecture and debugging skills that scale. To finish, deploy your app so it's live and observable. Choose a CD and hosted build or hosting provider, wire up CI/CD for automated builds, and enable logging and basic monitoring so you see errors and performance metrics in real time. Once deployed, run lightweight load and accessibility checks, then document environment setup and common commands. If something breaks, first reproduce locally, check logs, then bisect commits. This systematic approach finds the root cause quickly and teaches resilient practices for future projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.